The road workers who were responsible for the first motorway through Schoemanskloof erected this lifelike stone to honor Joe Barbas. It was under Joe's competent supervision that the road was completed in 1927, and one could perhaps say that this year it would be Joe's 80th birthday. Over the past years, Joe has had many facelifts, and a sample taken from his coat showed a layer of paint no less than 5 mm thick. Wouter de Wit, who is better known as Ghost, is by now a familiar face behind the oil pastels and paint brushes. Apart from brochure and logo design, Ghost is often hired to give an artistic feel to menus, caricatures and outdoor signs. This month his passion for cartoon art brought him out a second time to Old Joe.
As jy op die boek kyk, dit is hoe ek 2 jaar terug al Joe gedoen het. Ek het in plaas van om sy boepens en alles in te verf, het ek hom 'n neus en 'n oog gegee. Dit is die eerste keer wat hy so gedoen is. En hierdie keer het ek net besluit om hom weer lyf te gee. So ek het hom nou sy eerste coat gegee. Dit is 'n velkleur. En van hier af gaan ons begin en hom doen soos wat hy hier op die voorskets is.
After the first coat of paint, Ghost drew the outlines of Joe's new look. For Ghost, it was all hard work with no pay, except of course for Galitos, who stepped in with their spicy barbecue chicken.
Wouter doen hierdie vir homself. Dis vir hom ook 'n belangrike saak. En ons borg maar die geleentheid. Ons adverteer dit bietjie, ons laat die mense weet, ons voorsien 'n bietjie eetgoed en 'n bietjie drinkgoed.
Ghost first started with Joe's eyes and Colgate smile, as he worked his way down and around towards the khaki shirt, pair of braces and chinos. No artwork is complete without a signature. Even DV Times got a special mention for their support throughout the day. 4 hours later, and Ghost could finally take a well-deserved break, with compliments from Galitos. Then it was time to say goodbye. Until next time, go well, Uncle Joe, and happy birthday.